Hey, this is Davin with Redline Rebuild, and today I got some more parts. Now, hopefully you enjoyed the 69 Mustang and reuniting that with Grandma Sue, because she was pretty happy, and quite honestly, so were we. But of course, after our test drive, we rolled in, let everything cool off. We did our high fives. We were congratulating ourselves, and then we saw a little puddle starting underneath the car, and guess what? Our power steering hoses started to leak, which is not surprising given the shape of them, but you know, hey, it happens. So little quick clickety click click at the computer with rockauto.com, and we got new parts. All right. I love new parts. Tried to be more efficient here in my knife cutting. Left-handed. All right, so here is Ford's version of power steering. They used a pump, a control valve, and this ram assist that goes directly onto the steering linkage, and then one hose short of a major hydraulic function. There's 8 of them. It's ridiculous. Anyhow, here's all our new stuff. It's nice and shiny. It's not going to leak. And we're going to Rambo these onto the car. But here's my rockauto.com tip of the day. While you're there, do some preventative maintenance, like shock absorbers. Even a new dipstick to match the one putting them on. I'm gonna stand here and look silly, but until then, roll the time lapse. Nothing like using your forearms as leverage. Yeah.
This location, as they would say, is not so great. Ease of access, that would be a -2. We could have went through the tailpipe, I guess, to access them. A+ on that, though.
Sweet. Hey, that wraps up installing and fighting with that power steering system, and at the same token, got the shock absorbers on front and rear. I've never had to lay in the back seat, quite honestly, to put shocks in, but hey, it's the way it was. Now, you'll notice I got one small issue, well, actually 4 small issues relative to taking this bad boy for another test drive is, well, Cam came over and stole the wheels, so I got no rubber to run on. So that'll be for another day. But check this out. Before we wrap out for today, we got to visit the snowball car and progress. So, progress. We're making progress. Honestly, we're making progress. So here we have a set of tubes started relative to the exhaust. Yes, it looks 100% like spaghetti, and no, it doesn't fit yet, but it will. So we have this side mocked up slightly. We got one little issue to work around, And of course, this side here looks a little bit better because there's nothing in the way. Okay, so that's rolling. We've got progress and a plan. Now, second thing, we've been waiting for production, like I'll say everybody else. And we have finally received not only the first 7 pistons out of 8 for our 440, but the last one. So with these pistons, we can get rolling on our 440 project. So in the meantime, while we're doing that, we have a kind of a special little thing for you relative to a T5 transmission swap into our 1946 Ford pickup truck. Those will be the next 3 videos. Check them out. Hopefully you enjoy those. Now also, if you happen to be watching this on Monday, on the release date, I will be in Las Vegas at the SEMA show. If you happen to also be in Las Vegas at the SEMA show, stop on by, flag me down, whatever the case may be, and say hey. So with that, I gotta go jump a plane, and we'll catch you next time. If you're not going to SEMA, get out in the shop, get your work done. There's a good day out there waiting for you. See ya. Yeehaw.